Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to August 19th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar.
It's World Photography Day, a perfect time to celebrate the art of photography and its ability to capture memories. Step 1. Gather your camera or phone. Pick a camera or smartphone and gather as a family. You don't need a professional camera. Your phone is perfect for this. Step 2. Choose your freedom and joy theme. Discuss with your family what freedom and joy mean to each of you. Is it a day spent outdoors, a favorite family activity, or simply laughter and togetherness? Step 3. Set up the perfect shot. Choose a location that feels special to your family. This could be your backyard, living room, or a place in nature you all love. Arrange everyone in the frame and capture candid moments. Step 4. Reflect on the moment. As you snap pictures, take a pause and talk about what each moment means to you. Ask your children, what makes this moment special? Or, how do you feel right now? Step 5. Create a family memory album. Once you've taken your photos, gather them to create a family photo album or digital collection. Name it Freedom and Joy, Our Family Moments. Photography is more than just capturing moments. It's about cherishing them. Today's activity strengthens your family bond through creativity, reflection, and the joy of capturing memories. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.